Musa Mseleku was exposing Mayeni on cameras in front of his wives. Musa Mseleku said Mayeni doesn't want Vuyokazi at the first time. Mayeni never support him. The person who support him is Macele only. Musa Mseleku have to know that the person who have polygamy is Tembu. It's him, not other wives. There is no need Musa Mseleku to discuss about Mayeni and her daughter-in-law's issues in front of his wives. Musa Mseleku have to discuss about Macele Makwela, because Mayeni was asking about who is the wife you want to get married. And Musa Mseleku says, Mayeni never support me, you don't want Vuyokazi, what. He is discussing some of the issues. You know that there is no need to discuss about those issues, but he start exposing Mayeni. Musa Mseleku want to expose Mayeni all the times, but he doesn't know the way. And now he know the way that he can expose Mayeni through Makwela, because he says you don't support me, the person who supports me is Macele only. Mayeni was very humiliated because that video, guys, we watch it on Utando Nostembo Uncut. Musa Mseleku exposed Mayeni twice, imagine. And Mayeni was very humiliated because, guys, people, they start saying bad things about Mayeni, and Vuyokazi came again on social media and start exposing Mayeni that I feel bad, what. No one is perfect, guys. We can judge Mayeni. Everyone have got issues, moods, their moods. Because Mayeni doesn't know Vuyokazi. Everyone have got mother-in-law. You know that when you have got a mother-in-law doesn't love you on the same day. Those people, they have got their problems, attitude, you understand, because are human beings. So people are judging Mayeni on social media. Mayeni is a bad person. Musa Mseleku have to avoid. Sometimes he is doing content, but he is ruining Mayeni now, because how Mayeni she feels, people, they are saying bad things about what, because he want money. He want money through exposing Mayeni. He want more views, people to concentrate about Mayeni. They are saying bad things about her. Musa Mseleku have to know that when he is leaving his Istanbul, his family and Mayeni, he have to discuss about those issues with Mayeni, Vuyokazi, Mpumelelo, not in front of other wives. How he want other wives to say about Mayeni, even Macele. We know that Macele doesn't like Mayeni. He want to humiliate Mayeni in front of Macele. You know that Musa Mseleku, if he saw Macele, the way he is reacting, he want to humiliate other wives because of he is so seeing Macele. When Macele is not around, look at all those trips. Macele was not around. Even that trip, Macele was not there on season 7, season 8. That trip was very good. Musa Mseleku was behaving very well. But when Musa Mseleku saw Macele, I don't understand his behavior. Or he want to prove to Macele that other wives are nothing. You are the only and one. That's why Musa Mseleku humiliate Makhumalo in front of Macele on his last episode on season 8. Makhumalo showed to him that those wives, they know that Musa Mseleku, when he saw Macele, he want to humiliate them. That's why nowadays, when they are together with Macele, they start disrespecting him. They start saying something bad about him because they know that if they behave very well, Musa Mseleku start humiliate them because he want to prove to Macele that he is the good wife. Because there is no need. Even Musa Mseleku, he keep the video. That video, Musa Mseleku, we didn't so watch it, that part when Musa Mseleku exposing Mayeni on season 8. He exposed it twice, but they keep the video. And they keep the video. We watch it on Uncut. That Mayeni and Vuyokazi, it was bad. If Musa Mseleku keep the video, you saw that Mayeni was very angry at that time. Musa Mseleku is the producer of Utando Nestembo. He can tell the directors and say, delete that video to protect his family. You understand? Musa Mseleku have to know that between content, yes, they are doing content, but this is over. He is overreacting now. This is going to destroy the family, because people will start commenting on social media saying bad things about Mayeni, what. It's very bad.